So we're gonna put rocks in a row of like a concrete border right here. We're gonna put a rock flower bed and probably right there too. And then obviously we're painting that gray, and that'll go good with the house. We'll have shutters. Right now I have the kids out here though, so we're actually kind of hard to paint with the kids here, so I'm gonna work on digging that out. I got some of it dug out, but now I need to get a level trench going to put these in and put gravel in there. All right, so I got the edge laid out. I'm gonna start putting some rock in there. So we are back at it today. I gotta help her today. Say hi, Axel.
Hi.
So scoop it into the bucket, and then this is where the rock garden's going. So far so good. I may have enough rock to do something right here too, so I think that'll make it look very good. And then obviously that's the whole color on all this is going to be changed too, and the door. It's coming along. The house is looking pretty nice. I got all that painted, got all the, it's coming along. Gonna rebuild this deck right here. So one thing at a time though. This truck held a lot of gravel. I'm surprised. Got his new boots. You like your boots? All right, so I painted the wood behind it gray, and that's basically how it turned out.